Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones JBL Vibe Flex. To make a hard reset, you should press and hold. You should press 2 times on your left and right earbuds and then press and hold. So 1, 2 and press and hold. Now we can hear that power off. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. Now put the headphones to the charging case and remove it from the charging case to enter pairing mode automatically. And now click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!